Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your MOVA V50 Ultra not mopping or no water flow. First I'll need to put the robot back in its charging station. I'll put the mops here because they're installed right now and it's easiest to install them manually. Then I'll click on the home button on the robot to make it return to the station automatically. And I'll get back to you in a moment. Now once it's in there, you may want to do two things in the app that are the only one that I believe can fix it. So the first one is adjusting the water flow by clicking on this button in the bottom left corner in the app, and then selecting the option finding mop wetness. Of course you need to have mop, vacuum and mop, or mop after vacuuming mode enabled at all, and then make sure to increase the mop wetness, maybe not all the way up, try a little bit and see if that makes a difference. If that didn't make a difference, then make sure that the clean water tank is full on your robot. You may want to watch a video about that. There's also three dots in the top right corner, and what you may want to do is go to more functions, device maintenance, and find robot water tank draining. That will take about 3 minutes and it will remove any excess water from the water tank inside of the robot, which may fix the issue if there's something wrong going on there. So you may want to click on start,
robot water tank draining,
and it will start draining the water tank. So it will take about 3 minutes, and after that it'll be done and you should be able to begin mopping normally. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.